Welcome aboard. I'm Captain Wayne Canning, and I'd like to take a minute or two of your time to tell you about my book, Fiberglass Boat Restoration. Over the last 40 or 50 years, there have been hundreds of boat builders producing high-quality fiberglass boats. Many of these boats are older now and unused, sitting and waiting for somebody to come along and restore them. These boats make a great investment because they were heavily built to start with, and most just need a little TLC to get back into operating condition again. Now, I know there's a lot of books out there talking about how to restore boats. A lot of them are very good and have a lot of very good information. They tell you how to do fiberglass work, electrical work, woodwork, ton of good information out there. But over the last 50 years in the marine industry, I've noticed there's one key thing these books leave out. And that's how to properly plan your project boat. Not only to just plan it, but how to pick the right project boat for you, how to determine whether or not you are right for this kind of project. Do you have the skills and the patience needed to do it? My book also has key information about where you should work on your boat, what kind of tools and equipment you're going to need, how to deal with things like insurance, transportation. All these are key to a successful project. Over the years, I've seen many more people fail at project boat restoration than succeed. And it's really a shame because most of them get into it not fully understanding everything they need to know to successfully complete a project boat. What work not to do and what work to do are important. Completing a boat can be a very satisfying experience. Not only do you get a boat for less money than a new one, but you also have something you can take pride in. You can take pride in your workmanship, and you can take pride in the fact that you actually accomplished this task. So if you're thinking of taking on a project boat, I urge you to take a look at my book. It will save you a lot of time and wasted money. It will help you organize your work and help you to a successful completion of any project you're planning. So if you're thinking of taking on a project boat, I urge you to take a look at my book. It will give you a lot of information the other books don't, and it will help you succeed in the long run. Fair winds and good luck on your projects.